Comment tu sing first official practice of the year. Woo!
Can't find a light in the dark, and I'm finding myself in the rain, trying to get out.
Hey guys, it's Ava and Diana.
I'm not a promise I'll never run and hide. I'm getting stronger, I'm getting stronger, a little longer. I'm getting stronger. Now I finally found my wings. I let go of everything to set it afire.
Do you think Diana wants a hug? Oh, do you want a hug? Cool. Hey,
Finally able to see just who I was born to be. I'm waking up in my dream. Oh yeah, the fires in my eyes. No sleep, you keep them lullabies. Cross out, I've been the one to ride. From my sea.
And please welcome the new mama.
I'm a rise, spread on my wings, I'm a fly, fly high. I'm getting stronger, I'm getting stronger, a little longer. I'm getting stronger. Now I finally found my wings. I let go of everything to set it and follow my heart. I don't care what they say. My life is not a game. Never gonna run away. So don't wake me up. Can't wake me up. Nothing can wake me up. I'm waking up in my dream.
What's up, Tswhj singers? Today we're filming a music video to introduce the new members.
Don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out or looked down on. Just try your best. Try everything you can. And don't you worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time, little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. Hey, you know they're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own. So don't buy in. Live right now. Yeah, just be yourself. It doesn't matter if it's good enough for someone else.
Oh. Hey, Annalise. Hi, Ariel. Hi, Deanna. Hey, Kalina. Hi, Ava. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Grace.
Hi, Jade.
Hi, Joyce. Hi, Grace. Hi, Abby. Hi, Liana. What I would like to say to my past Nhtxeoy self is keep doing what you're doing. You're doing amazing. Don't let anything or anyone get in the way of what you want to do. And yeah, make sure you get your priorities straight. And you know what you want to do. Don't overthink too much because overthinking gets in the way of like everything. Guys, to stay confident and to believe in yourself because you got this.
Being in Nhtx will open a whole new world for you, like doing new music videos or doing a bunch of photo shoots or even going to music festivals like Tswhj Fest.
From the beginning of Nhtxeoy, you probably think you're gonna make it this far, huh? You thought it was gonna be one year thing with your sister and then quit or go back to performance. But we made it pretty far. Placing first place in comps with Nhtxeoy at Merced, Stockton, Fresno, and even Sacramento. Big one. To my past self, I would say be confident and dance. And you improved so much to where you are now. Just know you're very proud of yourself and this is the happiest choice that you've ever made. How proud I am for because of how much I've grown throughout the years with the team. And yeah, that it's great how far I've gotten. Yeah, that's it. Hi, Grace. We now go by Gracie. I just want to say that we are striving and thriving. We went through a lot within how many years? I'm just so proud of who I am now, and whatever we went through or whatever we've gone through, it built us and it built how we view ourselves and how we feel about ourselves, and I'm just so proud of that because we went through some hardships, some losses, but that's okay. That's what life is about. It teaches you some lessons and we learn from it, which is good. I think that me now compared to you, it's better. We learned, we trusted, we put our trust into new people. I'm just so thankful that we're able to grow into this person we are now, and I'm just so thankful for everything, for everyone who came into our lives, and for whoever left. They taught us a lesson that we learned, and it'll continue to be like that for life. People leave, people come, and that's what life is about. You learn and you live. And I just want to say thank you for just basically letting life be, and I think we will continue to strive and thrive.
There was a lot ahead of you, and you're gonna crash out. And it was like crazy. And you got McDonald's that you wanted. You got the McDonald's you wanted. And yeah. And I'm happy you stayed. For almost 11 years. And yeah. And you improved. And you're not emo no more. And yeah.
Hi Ariel, this is a message for you to know that you're going to do great, and you'll face a lot of challenges throughout your journey, and you have many more to go.
I know, like, it's hard, and like, you know, we didn't go Nhtxeoy 5 years ago, and I know you're gonna compare yourself to a lot of dancers, and it's gonna be hard on you, especially because you're new and you don't really know what you're doing. So yeah, and you're gonna cry a lot, but it's okay because you're gonna get through it, and yeah. Okay, next.
Present stuff.
Hi Grace, today is January 7th, 2026. What I would say to you is to keep on going and don't push yourself too hard. But like try your best, but don't like put yourself down. And just know that you always got it. I'm so proud of you, and yeah, you're gonna do so good. And also picture like everything, because you were like so bad. You were so bad. Yeah, but you'll get better. And yeah, just like look at other people dance and like look at their skills and like take that, and like when they're giving you like what's called advice, like take it, and like don't think it's like, oh, you're so bad, like you need to do this, like take it and learn from it, you know. I remember practice at Rivendell with Kevin and all the girls, and I got my first solo, I think, and I was so happy. And then they told me to move my skirt more, but on comp day I didn't move my skirt, but now I can move my skirt really well, and now I dance a lot better. So don't worry, it's gonna be amazing. Yay!
We got this.
Have you ever seen such a beautiful night? I could almost kiss the stars for shining so bright. When I see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. I would never wanna miss this, 'cause in my heart I know what this is. Hey now, hey now.
You guys ready?
This is what dreams are made of. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of.
Oh my god. Good job, girl.
Have you ever wondered what life is about? You can search the world and never figure it out. You don't have to sail the ocean.
Hey guys, it's
4:27
Happiness is
in
no
the morning.
mystery. It's here and now. It's you and me, yeah. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. Hey now, this is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of.
I dance with Nkauj. I have been a dancer since the beginning, which was 2019. But Teacher Paul was my coach when I first started, and that was at 5 years old. We have been through a lot together, from not having a place to call home. Teacher Paul has sacrificed her time, energy, and away from her family to try to find us, passionate dancers, a place to practice. With Mr. Yang's help, they have accomplished creating HCAP. We now have a new home called Hmoob Culture Arts and Preservation. I want to thank them for letting me be a part of such a great organization. Now for my Nkauj family. I have been with Nhtxeoy since 2022, and Kevin has been my coach through performance and competitive dance. He has helped me improve throughout my dance journey and has helped Nhtxeoy become the group they are. My dance journey has helped me meet a lot of people. One of those people is Lala, Nkauj co-coach. She has helped Nhtxeoy with her mental health and has always talked about how important it is. During COP season, we would always do mental health check-ins, and that has helped us not be so tense and so stressed all the time. Now to my dance sisters. 2025 is our last year together, and although some of you guys have ended your dance journey, our sisterhood and bond will never end. To late night practices with Kevin and Lala being serious, we still found a way to enjoy time. Although it could be frustrating at times, I still love you guys very much. To the beginning of my journey with Nhtxeoy, you guys have always welcomed me. And now that we are saying goodbye, I want to let you know our blood, sweat, and tears has made Nhtxeoy worth it. And to HCAP for helping me connect to my Hmong roots and has helped me find my true identity as a Hmong daughter and as a dancer. My journey with Nhtxeoy has not ended yet. I look forward to see what we have in the future. Thank you everyone for being here today.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh, eh, oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead, get crazy. Anyone can do it, sing oh, eh, oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the room what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. I'm better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing, yeah, yeah.
I thought it was like a special point.
Hey guys, it's second group. We're gonna do the second activity right now.
Yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah.
Go find them.
Bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, I feel better when I'm dancing. I'm better when I'm dancing. Hey, feel better when I'm.
To be continued. To be continued. To be continued.
To be continued.
To be continued.
To be
To be
continued.
continued.
Okay. Goodbye, Nhtxeoy. Goodbye, Nhtxeoy.
Goodbye, Nkauj.
Goodbye, Nhtxeoy.
I'll miss you guys. Goodbye, Nkauj.
Goodbye, Nhtxeoy. I love you.
Goodbye,
Nhtxeoy.
What's up, YouTube? I'm in a bigger video. So today, I'm getting canceled, and I just want to say I love Nhtxeoy so much, and that I was here from the beginning, from the start, and I'm an OG. And I love Nhtxeoy, and I hope they continue with new girls, and I hope that whoever stays becomes new friends with the girls, and that they become sisters and they bond a little bit better than us, because we have a sister bond, and I hope it stays throughout Nhtxeoy. Peace out, guys! I would like to thank my mom for during my dance journey, because when I joined Nhtxeoy, she was pregnant, so I know it was like a lot of pressure for her. So I'm very thankful for her to be by my side and support me the whole way. I would like to thank my mom, because when competition first came, it was very last minute blinging and all that other stuff, and my mom stayed up really late to help bling while I did nothing. I didn't do nothing, but I had a lot of homework. I had a lot of stuff on my plate. I had school, I have tons and tons of homework, and I have to deal with dance, make sure I go to practice, even though I still have loads of homework that I need to do. I don't sleep until 1 or 2 a.m. and my mom really supports me, and she's a very strong woman. She has 5 other kids to take care of, and also my little sister that does competition as well, and she has to bling their outfits, and she also has to take care of my other sister who does performance dance, and she has to bling her outfits. So yeah, I'm very thankful for my mom for always putting me and my sisters and her kids first.
I would like to thank my coaches like Kevin and people that have coached me before, my past groups, and the girls who I've danced with throughout the 7 years, and mainly just Kevin and my cousin Annalise, because she's who I started dance with, and I just think we've been able to grow together, and we're ending at the same time too. I would thank Lala because she's there, and she didn't even want us, and yeah, I love her. I would like to thank my mom, because my mom has always supported me But even though she's really hard on me and she yells at me all the time, it's okay. And yeah, my mom also spends a lot of money on me. Oh, and my dad, because even though he's not really there, like he's there at home watching me, and he always texts me when I'm done, like, oh, good job, or stuff like that, even when we play and stuff.
For a dance journey, I think I would have to say Kevin, because when I started, I looked up to Kevin because Kevin was my coach, and I never tried out for Nkauj. I was put into it because I was in Kevin's performance group and he moved me up, which I'm very thankful for, because I grew up with Kevin. I've been with Kevin for the past like 6-7 years, more like like the past like 4 or 5 years of my life, and being with him just taught me a lot. And my dance journey has been a big part of my life because I was very young when I started, and I'm just so thankful for Kevin, because watching Kevin grow also let me grow. And Kevin just taught me a lot, taught me how to dance, taught me different techniques, taught me how to move my body certain ways, how to move my hands, and he taught me different dance styles, and it let me learn a lot with my dance journey, and I definitely did improve, and I am so thankful for Kevin. And to my mommy, if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be here right now, because she did spend a lot of time, she invested a lot of money into my dance career, and I'm so thankful for it, because without her, I wouldn't have anyone to buy my makeup, to do my makeup, buy my outfits, do my hair. And I'm just so thankful for my mommy, because if it wasn't for her, like none of this would have happened. My life would be so boring without dance, and I'm just so thankful that she was so supportive of me every single step.
I want to thank Leanna for letting me use her shoes for this interview, and Leanna for doing my nails. And yeah,
I would like to thank my mom. Without my mom, I don't think I would be able to do any of the outfits by myself. And I would also like to thank my dad, because he was by my side, always with me and supporting me. And I would like to thank all of my dance sisters, because without their support as well, I wouldn't have done it by myself. And I also want to thank all the dance moms and Lala and Kevin, because they've also supported everybody and me along the sidelines and always cheering us on.
I would like to thank my Auntie Lavina for always taking me to my practices and always helping me do my outfits and blinging them and sewing them. And I'd also like to thank my mom for always being there for me and showing up during my competitions, even with her heavy work schedule. And I guess my dad for always giving me new ideas. And also all my other family members and my friends that have helped supported me and donated to my dance group.
And the person I would like to be most thankful for throughout my dance journey would be my mom, especially, family, and Nkauj girls and coaches. These people gave me the most energy and support through the whole thing. So, thank you!
I would like to thank my mom and my dad for financially supporting me and for understanding my love to dance and my desire to dance, because I know they might not understand how it feels to be on stage, but they understand it brings me happiness. So I would like to thank them for doing that for me. And I would like to thank Brandon for supporting me and emotionally being there for me and supporting me when I crash out and understanding me, basically. Yeah. And just being there to listen. And I would also like to thank Lala, because I love her so much. And she's always there for me. I'm really so sad when she's not there. But I hope Lala the best, and I hope this message makes her cry so she can stay. That was perfect. Is it getting hard here or is it being? Yeah, I'm done.
I would like to thank Lala and Kevin and the moms and all of my dance sisters throughout all of my dancing years because they helped me improve on dancing, and I just like I watch them very closely. But like not in a weird way. I just I see someone I like how they dance, and I try to like equip that. And honestly, I really like my bond with all my sisters because we always like, even though like the mood could be down or my mood can be down, and they don't even know, they just bring it up with like just being themselves, and we're just all so comfortable around each other like so quickly. Like it's really like I have like sisters, like we're blood. Yeah, and I want to thank all the moms for supporting us and buying all the things for us and dealing with our attitude and complaining, but it's okay because they love us, right? And I want to thank Paula and Kevin for also dealing with her complaining and all the talking and when we stop paying attention. But yeah, that's it.
May these words be the first to find your ears. The world is brighter than the sun now that you're here. Though your eyes will need some time to adjust to the overwhelming light surrounding us. I'll give you everything I have, I'll teach you everything I know. I promise I'll do better. I'll always hold you close, but I'll learn to let you go. I promise I'll do better. I will soften every edge, I'll hold the world to its best, and I'll do better. With every heartbeat I have left, I will defend you every breath, and I'll do better. 'Cause you are loved, you are loved more than you know. I hereby pledge all of my days to prove it so. Though your heart is far too young to realize the unimaginable light you hold inside. I'll give you everything I have, I'll teach you everything I know. I promise I'll do better. I will always hold you close, but I will learn to let you go. I promise I'll do better. I will rearrange the stars, pull them down to where you are. I'll do better. With every heartbeat I've left, I'll defend you every breath. I'll do better. I will soften every edge, hold the world to its best. I'll do better. With every heartbeat I have left, I'll defend you every breath.
Hi, can you tell us your name? Nice to meet you. What do you have to say about Nhtxeoy? Who is your favorite Nhtxeoy dancer? You don't know? Is it me? Alright, thank you so much for your interview. Bye bye. Say bye bye.